It's a beautiful day here in Hapeville, and we are here to get an update from Serenity Townhomes by Artisan Built Communities, and I am here with Karen. And
Hi,
Karen,
Bria.
I can tell the guys are busy at work because last time we were here, there was really not much.
Yes, and it was freezing too. However, now, as you see, we have brick going up on the two-car garages. And we also have our windows. Of course, we have a roof, and hopefully we'll have them completed around mid-spring. With it being a pocket community, you'll be able to enjoy the fire pits when you sit outside, your patio when you are out entertaining. Also, you'll be able to walk to the local Chick-fil-A, to the breweries, also the theater. And did you know that Porsche is right down the street too? You can enjoy that Porsche experience.
Karen, this Hapeville community really has changed so much over the past few years, and it's worth coming to take a look if you haven't been in a while. So why don't you tell us, Karen, where these townhomes are going to start, when somebody could potentially also maybe be in one of these townhomes?
Actually, they could be in one around mid-spring to end of spring. We have another slab that we're about to pour for the next set of townhomes as we speak.
And what's the price point for these townhomes?
The price point is the mid-5s to lower 6.
Okay. Now, I see you've got the trailer here, so are you here some? Do you have to make an appointment? What's the best way to get in touch?
Please make an appointment with us by calling 678-515-9526 or go online to discoverartisan.com.
Well, Karen, thanks so much for being here with
You're
me
welcome.
today. I love getting the update, and you don't want to miss out on these 25 townhomes, Serenity Townhomes in Hapeville by Artisan Built Communities.